Hello, welcome to today's class, and I'm so much excited. Remember, we are still continuing the topic, money. Suppose you deposit or you borrow money in a financial institution. That money earns interest for a given period of time. Now, that interest is not paid back to you instantly. That interest may be added to the principal so that it can earn more interest. Such interest earned is what we refer to as compound interest. The period after which interest is compounded to the principal, we refer to it as the interest period. Compound interest may be calculated annually, semi-annually, quarterly, or even monthly, depending on the question that you will encounter. The sum of principal and the compound interest, we refer to that as an amount. And the amount can be mathematically represented as the principal times 1 plus. Now, this is what we refer to as the rate. The rate is the ratio of the interest period in percentage. And N, we refer to this as the time or the duration of the interest period. Let's take a look at a sample question that tests on the concept of compound interest. And here's the question. Mukure wants to have 300,000 shillings to buy a plot of land in the next 8 years. How much money must he invest in Faulu Bank, charging a compound interest at the rate of 7.5% per annum? You can pause the video and go through the question again. From the introductory part, remember, if you want to have 300,000 Kenya shillings, this should therefore be what we refer to as the amount, 300,000 shillings. The duration Mukure wants to have that money is in the next 8 years. Remember, the interest rate charged by the bank is 7.5% annually. What do you want? We want to calculate how much money must he invest. Therefore, that money should be the principal. How much must he invest? Principal times 1 plus the rate in percentage raised to the duration. So let us plug in all this necessary information we're given into the question. Now, amount, we already have it, and that is 300,000 shillings. The principal is what we need. Times, now we'll have 1 plus, what is the rate? The rate is 7.5%. Raised to the duration, and the duration should be 8 years. So this is the first step. Now, let us solve whatever is inside this bracket. So key in all these digits in your calculator. 1 plus 7.5 divided by 100 in bracket. This will be 1.075. All of it raised to power 8 times the principal to be equivalent to 300,000. My key interest is calculating the principal. Therefore, it means I need to divide across by this. So I'll have to divide across by 1.075. Remember, all of it is raised to power 8. Divide this side again by 1.075. All of it raised to power 8. And this will cancel. So I'll have my principal to be equivalent to, now, 300,000 divided by 1.075 in bracket raised to power 8. 168,208 shillings. It therefore means if Mukure wants to have 300,000 shillings in the next 8 years, when he invests his money in a bank that charges an interest at a rate of 7.5% That is a compound interest. Therefore, Mukuri must deposit 168,208 Kenya shillings. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you again next time. But remember, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.